Makadi muri Zimbabwe kufara kusangana neni pano paShibanda Media. Zita rangu ndichiitwa Sokostina kana kuti Pelagia Pamfurwa. I think you can see from my face I am smiling nekuti ndasi ndinenyaya inonakidza indoziva kuti vamwe munogona kuti Sokostina vanogona kuuya nenyaya inosvisa asi aiwa nhasi sit and relax because ndine nyaya inonakidza ndikuya nayo pano nhasi muchirongwa chedu. I've got none other than Tongai Moyo Junior. Those are Pandatawa style. I'm wearing my not from but let me not preempt. Not doubt ear, not a garana panonas. Ataure and name you Zimbabwe Saka Dubuti, Gatigari Sikega, I don't simka, Tinyason Bonzakuti, Mukoma, Tongai Moyo Junior, Rani, Chanabuta, and Sum Zimbabwe, Zana Sintra Chiga, and Mukoma Tonga, Mahadi.
Nakubanga Bimote, Nakubanga Zabi.
Tunazoda kuziva because kuna Tongai Moyo wataiziva muimbi ane mukurumbira apa papanzi pana Tongai Moyo Junior ine vanonzi Junior kazhinji kuti mwana wacho muningina ndiani saka kuti mumboti paka introduction muchitaura nemune Zimbabwe kuti ndiani anonzi Tongai Moyo Junior.
Kwazwe muri Zimbabwe zita rinoitwa Tongai Obis Moyo. Ndakaberekwa musi wa4 March 1998 Kwekwe General Hospital. Baba vari the late Tongai Moyo, mai vari Lucy Mahlatini.
Alright. Saka takuziva kuti kutaura nemwana waTongai Moyo. Masvinzwa muri Zimbabwe muimbi akaita mukurumbira. Isi ndotari tiri matuke takazongokura tichikonzwa kuti
avasina yemwezi
Samanyemba. Iyoyo ndinoziva Samanyemba nekuti nemumvura mese ndiye munhu mumwe chete aiwa saka tikufambirana saka muzora nhasi toda kumbonyatsokurukura nezvei nekuti muri Zimbabwe ndida kunzwa kuti Tongai Moyo anoimbawo anotamba bhora akazochuza ita chii mukati meupenyu hwake.
Alright, muri Zimbabwe Tongai Moyo Junior muimbi wesungura. Muzora nhasi ndauya tizokurukura panyaya yealbum rangu inonzi Shumba dzemuAfrica ine 6 masongs atikutarisa kuti richabuda 2025 atakaita paKOM Studios Mwara.
Alright. Toda kunyatsonzwisa nezvealbum kuti chii chakaita kuti mutange kuda kuimba sungura nekuti kana uri muimbi unogona kuti amukana kuimba zvimwe imimi vamati muda kuenda kusungura. Toda kumbonzwa kuti what inspired you to choose pamazhenero ese vamati muda kuita sungura.
Sungura ndingangoti yakagara iri mandiri kubva baba vachiri vapenyu nekuti nedzimwe nguva dzandaitombovabatsira kubata saka zvinhu zvakakura zviri mandiri kusvika ndazokwanisa kuzorekodhawo my first song in 2016 ndipo pandakatangira kurekodha kupinda mustudio asi way before kuprimary kusekondary ndaiita hangu sungura. I was a dancer at the time. Yes, ndakatombotamba for a local band kuti ndinogara so zvinhu zvazvo sungura was in me all along, so I didn't choose sungura actually. Sungura was already tichikura.
Right. I want you to take me through the general songwriting. Kunyora masongs. Munyora mega masong kana kuti kune pano kana kunyora mega munosvika sei pakufunga song pamainyora.
Back in the days taive vaimbi vairoteswa music. Even up to now tinavo vaimbi but though it's now rare. Most of the times now you get songs they come in different ways from artists. Some they come in short pieces, some they just come as a full song. So mainly I write what I see in a day-to-day struggle, on a day-to-day survival. So those are like mainly the main points. I'm still young, so I'm a little bit limited on the I have to write for the youth because I'm still a youth.
I was about to ask you.
Yes, it's Sungura, but it's Sungura for the youth.
Okay.
So we are trying to gather around the young generation to be able to revive Sungura music. So I think just in general, those are some of the reasons why we are doing
Sungura music. Then I do kuti kachirungu kacho kakanyatso kakwenenzverwa. How do you know because munhu anotaura chirungu chako ichi achizodzoka kuzisungura yedu iyi. Do you think sungura yako yakamixana nechirungu yakangoti it's pure short?
No, what happened is like I'm like my father in many ways. My father was an educated man.
Okay.
He was educated at the General Hospital. Same goes for me. I went to school. Fortunately, in my past, but you know, some of the struggles we meet along the way, we end up doing other things rather than focusing on education. So I actually did my primary level at Kogo Primary School. Then went to Manunura High School. Then I relocated to Harare. I went to Manyami in Chitungwiza. Then I finished my O-level at Kensington College in Airport. So yeah, at the end of the day, you know, for something to progress, you need a little bit of education. That is why the ones that end up school, even those standards which are in school. So education is education is key.
Is key. So that's a bit of a personal life, which I'm going to get to tackle on Pizza, but album read. So I know with Panetwa album, Paneshaka Wanda, how have you been able to finance the album rako? One studio, and everything. Take us through the journey of the whole albums. So record and everything.
Okay, so at KOM Studios, that's where I'm currently recording. It's in Harare. It's owned by Suleiman Chiletu. So what happens is, currently on the album, we're facing a little bit of challenges. If you were to see past on social media, pleading to the nation for assistance to my father's friends, and also to the government or to any interested parties to come and assist on this album. Because what happens is, as you have mentioned, never married in a studio in Badaro, in Machandas from Congolese, from Congo, almost like a full album can amount to $5,000.
Okay.
So without the right funding, you will be in a position where I am right now, whereby the project is there, it's done in the studio, but Pakumoda Mali could do the project. So those are some of the challenges you face as an artist while we are facing at this album. The album happens is there. But now we are struggling to gather the studio fee now. Because all along we were focused on paying the players. We weren't focused on paying the studio time. So on the player side we're done. Now focusing on the studio time, which is a little bit expensive.
Okay.
So right now we're just stalemate with the album right now. Without the nation's assistance, we can't move forward.
Okay, muri Zimbabwe mukunzwa zvikurukuru tinoda kusvika papati iyoyo where we're going to be asking vanoda kubatsira but tichiri ipapo as well pane ndakunzwa kuti pane vamakashanda nawo maartist paalbum iri kana kuti you've been working alone backing vocalist in chat.
On this album I've been making with my backing vocalist alone. We didn't approach any artists for financial reasons. So we are just doing a solo album, me and the band to express 4x4. It's just us, no collaboration on this one. It's the Chaka Express 4x4.
Those are 4x4 mod.
No, it's
the boys with Chaka Express, I know. But the 4x4 part.
You don't know that.
Yeah.
So the 4x4 part goes with it's a new strategy that we are using on the stage, whereby we have four dancers, four dancers. Okay. So every on the mid, so we are forming a 4x4 equation.
Okay.
Something like that.
Something like that.
And we are also characterizing it with the band, with the car 4x4. Its power, its speed, its everything about the car. We're just imitating it with the band, you know.
The band.
So it relates also to Chinamombe.
Right.
This is now 4x4, it's a big car. It's a big
okay, Chinamombe, then the big car.
Yes.
Right, now I understand.
That's where the 4x4 comes in.
Alright, wonderful. Talk about my dancers. Finding my females there was just all male band.
Actually, it's a all male band currently. With time, we are looking to balance the gender equality in Zimbabwe. So sooner or later you'll be seeing female ladies on the family.
unoona concept ichikeneona kuti mukazi pamberi anobika mashudu. Don't you think that would work just to get a few of ladies to be shaking around
the stage? That's we like. My motivation comes from the Congolese side, even despite what's happening there, but still we drive our motivation from Congo. So they put ladies on stage. So at the end of the day, we're going to put ladies on stage.
Okay, I can't wait to see ladies on stage.
I
want to see more. So exactly. More so per album here, obviously, and a song.
Yes.
And a song which we go chinyora, so you know what his song is talking to me.
Yes.
And that was a song that in per album. It's either it's resonating with your personal life or the challenges that you've been facing about the EP song.
I have one song which goes like it's called Friday Pan. This song I'm talking on a 1v1 conversation with God. I'm saying what I'm saying is I need spiritual eyes, not just mental eyes. I can see but I need spiritual eyes to be able to see what's transpiring in my life. And I'm a in the pan, and I'm shining in the pan. You're telling God, no, I've seen all the trouble, I've seen the trouble, but just spend some time when you are walking around, just pass by my house. So it's just a nation's prayer to anyone to send on this one. And then the name of the album, Shumba Zem Africa. Shumba Zem Africa, what we are talking about, it's a two concept theory. Number one, it's Shumba Zem Africa, we're talking about the guitarists, the players that have contributed to the album. These are the lions I'm talking about. Because at the end of the day, what happens is when artists ban this album, people they tend to praise the artist. They don't praise the guitarist, they don't praise the producer.
Exactly,
So on this album, I'm just praising the band, praising everyone. Then another concept, Shumba Zem Africa. Africa is a jungle. It's a struggle in today. So everyone who is surviving in Africa is a lion in the jungle. So it touches to everyone also who lives in Africa.
Often a time, band, the lead or the owner of the band. What made you say that I want to appreciate this guy?
What makes you appreciate the guys is the levels they take you. The praise you get after you've done a good job with the guys. Sometimes if you accommodate more of that praise, you at the end of the day you see yourself as a God, as above everyone. So you need to share the glory. So who can you share the glory with? You can share the glory with the people who are seeing with you doing the things. So that is what I'm saying. Like it's a football team, and I'm the coach. These are the players. They need to be the one.
If there's anything that you've said that have touched my heart, this part. Because often the time we know so Kangana,
even up to now, you see this concept of one out of the sleeves are you would see when you were leading guitar by drums by but nowadays it's removed. It's no longer that information is no longer they're just putting promoter artist. What is to me? I got a Torongo, but number what doesn't get better. I think that you read that practice and that song or tonight. So you need to give credit.
Okay, so you make a Chiba Faba.
Yes.
Actually,
I've been playing with the rhythm guitar.
Okay.
That's the one my father started with. The rhythm, then he switched to the guitar. But me myself, I started with the rhythm because I love the rhythm so much.
Okay. I want to make that a little bit going into the life. If you allow me, into your personal, into your personal life, because I've been hearing more of my father.
Yes.
Okay, I want to understand the relationship that you had with your father.
Okay.
How he shaped you to be who you are today, and for you to, because why gonna choose Mtamba Boy?
Mtamba Bora, you could choose the
And already I could see you could have choose could not just something else because
Yes,
you are very like sharp,
Yes,
smart.
yes.
So I want to understand the relationship with your father.
Okay. The relationship with my father was okay, but you know, Kanon Manamkomana, fathers get strict.
Okay.
The same way he was strict with my brother Peter. The same way he was strict with me, but with Peter he was a little bit stricter because he was older.
Okay.
So he shaped us to be who we are today because yes, we liked soccer, he would buy us shooters to play soccer. But at the end of the day, he'll tell you after Otamba soccer, just give your time, you give yourself just 10 minutes a day, you go back on guitar. So you could feel like, yes, he wanted us to try venturing into other sports. Sometimes you would ask us, what do you want to do when you grow up? Me, like I always wanted to be a soldier, then I shifted to wanting to be a lawyer.
Okay.
So,
Soldier.
so those were my replies most of the time. But you would see that yes, he supported them, but he didn't actually support them. He supported music. Because even in school, he would come and register you to be in the school choir without you knowing. Then you hear your name. You are in the school choir. He did it with my brother. He did it with my sister. My sister, I have a sister in Nyasha. She also did marimba, the cultural dance and stuff. It was because of him. So even up to my little brother Tanak is incredible. He's also a songwriter. We were forged in that way whereby we believe the only way to bring them to the table is through songwriter music. Through music.
All right. I'm hearing Tanaka, Nyasha, my brother Peter. Mesema kaberekwa, the same father, same mother.
Actually, same father but different mothers.
Different mothers.
This my brother Peter, and he's followed by my sister Nyasha, another sister Tindai, then there's me, Tanaka, my young brother Nyasha, no Nicole, Natasha. These are my young sisters, so we're 7.
Yes, 7. Yes. Different mothers.
Different mothers, yes. We have 2 with same mother. Okay. Tanaka and Nicole.
Okay, we've talked about Didi. You want to talk about Mama?
Yes.
Vakazvigamuchira sei the music ichwazana mai manje ndo vanonoka.
Yeah, those are the least two.
Can I tell you a story a little bit? Chiripapo.
Yes.
Just I met a lady yesterday, and this lady, you know what I did? Mama yanongoda zvebhora. And I was like, you should let her. And I saw I saw she really wants to manage her. So I, even with myself, if I do tell you, it took long for my mom to understand that I loved music more than school. So I want to understand because when I'm mind to chocolate, it's okay.
Even me, it's like it's the same issue with my mother. She supports here and there, you know, like the type of support I'm talking about is just a motherly support, not that one that goes out of reach when it comes to music.
Okay.
She feels like there's a bit side to it. I don't know, maybe it's the way she was with my father. I don't know by the time I was involved. But what I know is she isn't that much supportive. She has the reasons, ones that I can relate to, and ones that I have fallen victim to. So she has the reasons. She has the right.
I want to know the reasons that you have fallen. Are there any women involved?
No, not women involved. Like friends, you know, meeting wrong friends, going at wrong places. When she wants you home, you know. So but she just tells you, she just prays for me. That's what I know. She prays for my career. She wishes me luck, but she doesn't go all the way out. She has elements.
Okay.
And I think some of the reasons I'm to blame. Some of the reasons.
Because of all sides,
yes, you know, you don't come back on time. You start making excuses. So I just gave a picture.
You need to promise it that you're going to work hard.
Yeah, I do. Actually, what I do is, you know, just take care of it, to just let you know that it's not as cheap things.
Okay. Now we want to talk about your brother has been in the scene, in the industry, in the music industry.
Yes.
And you, let's just be honest, maybe there could be a few people that know about you.
Yes.
So I want to understand with your brother. Now, would expect to see you holding each other hands and
smiling.
yeah, exactly. Seeing the more brothers, it will be a very nice view to see. But I want to understand how's the relationship because I know when the father passes away, umane ngaba umanyani research, umane umanyani research, unakutola the legacy. So as brothers, how have you managed to keep on holding on the legacy of Baba and to make sure with the legacy you remain and your relationship?
Actually, I would like to say the legacy is being kept alive. The legacy is very nicely, and because of him, he contributed. We have to give him a thumbs up there. Since the passing of our father, since by the time I also entered into the music industry, he was relevant in the music, he was still dominating in the music. So I would give him 10 out of 10 for implementing our father's everything. But so what happens is there are a few setbacks or a few challenges that we might be facing with each other. We might have people who try to come in between passing information that side and passing information this side. Because yes, so blood is thicker than water, yes, but when there comes someone who you trust, or who you say you trust, or who you think is loyal to both of you, that's crisscrossing information, bad information. There will always be words, and afterwards there will be actions. So I think that's what is actually currently happening right now, because we talk on the phone, but you can still feel that I'm not getting enough assistance from him. I should be getting. I won't complain, and I'm not complaining. I have my own, challenges also. I have my own weaknesses also. This is one weaknesses and this one strength also. But still, of course, issue of gossiping now. After long time staying with Chivayo, we've started, you know, so something like that didn't go away with him, that in some way that didn't go away with me. So I don't know if he said them. I don't know if some of the ways it was required. If I said them, when people start putting it in my kids. So the relationship is fine on the side, but on business side, I can't really say
It's not fun. It's not helping you.
yeah, actually, I won't lie.
Okay. You feel like he's not giving you the hand as a big brother.
Yeah, it's something like I think it's his way of trying to bring me to become a man, but at the end of the day, you won't if you
Yes, yes.
what do you say?
Exactly. You feel you need your brother.
I feel I need more. That's how I feel. I feel I need more. I feel I need more from that. So I think bit by bit we get there one day.
Okay, that was becoming a bit emotional.
Yes,
But
yes,
let me
yes.
try to bring you back into
You
into
can
laughing.
just try to
I can
just
see.
neutralize it.
Yeah, no, I understand that it happens. That's life. But I'm sure if he could be able to watch this, he'd
You
see
could be able to.
how you're pouring your heart,
Yes.
how much you
Yeah,
want
I
to
want to empty everything.
on him.
Yes.
If I get a chance, I'll call him and tell him, you need to talk to your
So
brother.
we can do so.
Sit down so that the legacy goes on.
Goes on forever.
Okay, Chongai, that was a bit of your personal life. So you married or
Actually, I'm not yet married, but I have a few months when I'm dating.
oh,
In
okay.
the music industry, you need someone beside you.
Ladies is taken. This is not available,
Yeah,
right?
I'm not carrying I'm trying to build a small family. So.
Okay. So how have you been managing it? I know women
The
women
music
and
industry,
in music industry everybody fund ukuthi
yeah, we have such
unobuza ukuthi hawangu 10,000 awudanda
no
ukuba
Cooper.
so just tell us how have you managed to sustain yourself in the industry, especially my gender. They
Yes.
come hard on you.
I think the whole concept is based on religion.
Okay.
Yes, yes. You need to be religion if you are in. You need to be a religious person if you are in public figure or if you are a celebrity. You need to be religious. Why? the religion principles they guide you
Okay.
into becoming, they mold you into becoming who you are. I'll give you an example of an artist I once worked with, Tatenda Pinjis. Tatenda Pinjis is at his church, where he attends at his church. I think he's an intercessor or something like that. You would find him after show, gets in his car, gets home, gets back home. So it's different from my principle. Although my principle is when you go to show, it's a day. It's only for a day. Remember, you don't lose your day. You don't lose your future because of one day. Okay. You need to prepare yourself. Um, get yourself a meal, just like any normal day. Get yourself not that to have that over excitement whereby you feel like your stomach is empty. You can go and you want to have fun. No, that's not it. It's a one day process. You feed yourself, you pack, you go to your show. Mainly me when I'm going to show, I take 2 or 3 of my brothers. Um, they will be my security, they will be my family there. So what we do is I arrive at a show, I'm at the VIP, I'm with my guys, we're doing what we're doing. Then the show starts, I go on stage. Just do my thing. Ladies want selfies, we get taking selfies.
That's the part.
Then
Don't be bad.
after we are done,
Yes.
you don't need to have a phone by the time we are doing that. Because if someone refuse your phone, then can I have your phone number? Then you start saying that. So I'm trying to just teach to a normal musician.
Exactly.
We're struggling with the peer pressure of a show. You don't need to face the peer pressure of a show. You need to be stable. And also, do you know many artists die on stage? Do you know why they die on stage? That peer pressure, that excitement, they also go on to take drugs. You have taken drugs, then you are having peer pressure of a show. You might faint on stage. You know that it kills. The cheering of the fans that one. It gets you high there, and then you are drunk with drugs or whatever. You can fall on stage and die. So many people don't know this trick.
Okay.
When you're going on stage, it's a normal day for you. Drink yourself, whatever you feel like that's for you, jump on the stage. You act, after you do your act, just go home. Just take your mafia, go home. Let your manager do the paperwork, let your manager handle the cases. Just go home, sleep, wake up in a normal day. Don't get the peer pressure. Don't peer pressure yourself.
And you can't resist because they
Yes, you can't resist, but you have ways
Exactly.
of dealing with them. You know,
Exactly.
me, like I have experience dealing with people because why my father would discuss these things after coming home.
Oh, right. Yes, yes.
I've done this. Did you see this? You know, he has even songs he composed out of such scenarios. One song is Mates that if you know Tonga Moyo song, his name's Mates.
Right.
That song was composed because I'm not sure when getting up in the van, then they went back and no ladies free. Then showed the Bayaza. You know, so he told us these experiences of what kills is the peer pressure.
Right.
Before show, the peer pressure is too much because everyone is praising you. Go and kill them. Go and do this on stage. Everyone is just, so you end up like killing your career because of one day.
Okay.
Yes, don't kill your career because of one day.
Don't kill
It
your
will
career
pass.
for one day.
It will be the past one that it is. Me, I've done a lot of shows in rural areas, in town, in garages, even I also played the Nope rallies in Cape. I played a lot of those. There will be thousands of people. So if you are not well prepared, you can faint or die on the stage because of that pressure.
That pressure.
Yes.
So titles of team was what the origin that you quick.
Yes.
As a commander, alright. What made you want to come to the capital city?
Currently, things are acting as if Harare is centralized. You know, everything happens in Harare. The studios are in Harare. The shows are in Harare. The links to get to colors are in Harare. So I just think all in all, capital city just still remains the best.
Okay, that's wonderful. Coming back to your music journey.
Yes.
Saka ndiani muimbi waunoti uyu ndinofanira kumbonyatsoshare stage naye pamwoyo pako?
My favorite musician, or should I say someone who motivates me a lot, I think the past 2 days I attended one of his shows and I stayed with him is Father Alec Macheso. Alec Macheso, yes, many people might say there was a rivalry between Macheso and Chungamo, but what I know is that they had a good relationship with my father.
Okay.
Yes, vaishanda zvakanaka. At some time, ndichivhurira ndaradhewa the late Tongai Machepapenyu avhurira gate. I still remember he was playing song on the Macheso inonzi Tafadza Unyarara. I think the song by the time yanga isati yatombobuda he was just sampling. So meaning kuti he was trusted to the extent yekuti wa music isati yabuda.
Alright.
Yes, I felt Tafadza and I retira Tafadza isati yabuda through my father.
Okay.
So meaning if you trust each other to that extent, you are friends. You are more than friends.
Mama, before tinoona anenge ari zvezvepublic stance
It's just trying to make it nice. And also with Father Alec Macheso, actually like 2 days I'm saying I attended one of his shows and I asked him, I pleaded with him to take me into his arms, into his wing, to show me the way, straighten me up in the music industry because he's the only forefather we have in the music industry in terms of Sungura, So I think learning from the best will assist me. Very soon we are going to visit him at his house in Utafos. He invited me, so I think I'm going to be going
to
say
the father. You have to say father.
I had to say father,
He's your father. No, I really like the fact that you're getting support from Indians like that. And I think we have spoken about a lot of things. I wanted to stand more on the album part. Which is like an album area. For now, charimisa chi. Finances. Is it only finances or?
Actually, my songs, like I would like to say, my songs are a good writer, songwriter, and then 20 songs. But the finance part now is the one which is putting things into the store. And we have like my smaller groups. So I remember but desperate times, desperate times cause for desperate measures. We need this assistance for us to be there, for us to be functioning so that we can go able to uplift others also. So it's necessary for us to be able to come to the public and appeal for help. Yes, so far we have 7 tracks. We have 6 tracks and then there's a bonus track. It's called Ngoma Wangu Ndine Urongo. So we are just waiting on that one. Yes.
Is it because of what happened with your brother or?
No, this one I won't share like much information.
Much on this one.
Okay. The one which is
anticipated. So I'm going to tell someone and then getting feedback.
With piracy and stuff, I have to make sure my phone is locked in the private files, Because right nowadays, you never know. Don't first of all, madam, like on the song, young people, information so some of the things because my album, like my last album, I fell victim to piracy. After it was uploaded, it's under so we were forced to.
But how was it?
It was okay. It was nominated for the Zima Awards, and also it was nominated number 10 on the top 50. But on the weekly, it did well.
Alright. In case there are people who are now involved.
Yes, album Mbinga. Yes, 6 tracks.
Okay. On YouTube, is it there?
YouTube is there. It's Tongai Mungu Junior Official.
Tongai Mungu Junior Official.
Or our social media channels.
All right, so they can access that one.
You can access that one. Another singles there also.
They're also there. All right, Tonga, it was very exciting interview. I don't know if there's anything that you want to tell me or tell Zimbabwe.
There's something that's not
Yeah.
I think it's best if I give shout outs to people who have been assisting. They've been assisting, they've been there with us since the struggle, they've been there with us, giving us ideas. First person I would like to thank the most is the one who offered us this venue. It's my district chairman, also is my boss. Means Innocent Chikore, boss Changara. He assists us a lot, not just me, but as the community. We have Isa Mfumi, he has reached out. We have job promotions, we have Boss Rose, we have Boss Msia in midfield, Boss Kumbo in the UK. These are people who have been with us, assisting us, and I just like I felt my appreciation to them because for, for us to be where we are with the album, they've contributed a lot, a lot. So I just like to pour my heart for them.
If there's anything that I would give your parents, it's what I would say, because I could
Yeah.
see even in the whole interview you're just saying thank you, Utenda, Vakakubatsira,
Yeah.
which is beautiful. Wish you all the
Forgetting
best.
my mother, Miss Mangosungu.
Yeah.
She's
All right. Ah, for fiance.
don't say no fiance, you just say amen,
Mm.
mom, but
All right.
we are living the first life. Everything happens. So,
Valentine.
Valentine's Day, Valentine.
Valentine's.
See, it was supposed to be the meal.
There's nothing called Barume. Valentine's. You have
So
just
it's-
violated.
Yeah, we in this almost Maru, a little bit of the
Right. It's beautiful. Muthandazvidu. Thank you so much for allowing us to talk to you and choose Jimmy Yako and the struggles that you've mentioned that you're facing and the assistance that you're calling out kune vari kuona muri Zimbabwe. And just to, I'm actually happy I got to meet Junior, Tonga Moyo Junior.
Meet you also.
Okay, that's wonderful. Muri Zimbabwe ndiye watanga tinaye pano Tonga Moyo Junior, the son of the late legendary music legend Tonga Moyo is the son to the late Tonga Moyo. So angachitaura nesachipokuwa nhoroondo of his music journey. He's also into the music industry and he's calling out kune vanoda kumubatsira. The album is there, right? Yakuomirira mafinances kuti ibude, and he also said pane rimwe rakabuda ratiripo YouTube. Mbinga. It's also on social. Maybe you can just say it again.
It's Mbinga, album Mbinga, and our social media is Tonga Moyo Junior official. Then the location number is always in the It's 0773 640 632. 0773 640 632.
Okay, so yeah, vanoda kuti get hold of him. Also, vanoda kuti assist in this good album ribude and nongomubata paataura ipapo. So thank you so much, Zimbabwe, for watching this program. Until we meet next time, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Toda kuona mu comment section muchindipa ma reviews Mbinga album. Tichiona zveshato ngomona zvaari kutaura kuti akativimbisa pane album ndizvo here. Saka let's all go and support and let's go and listen to the Mbinga album. Takamirira iri album kuti ribude. Thank you so much. Ndiriwe Celestine.